All right, special thanks to this company for sending us the birthday cake Squeaky dog toy. Let's just open it up and show you what we have here. Nicely packaged. All right, so first, look at that. It's my birthday. Little dog collar there. Then you've got, look at that hat too. My wife is gonna love this. Look at that. This little hat. Best choice in your life. I like that. Little company logo on the tag. And this actually, wow, this has a little like zipper thing. So it's not just a string. Not a zipper, but like, you know, it'll actually stay on. Or should actually stay on. Very nice. It says happy birthday on it. Okay. And then last but not least, this is the little cake. Got a little candle on top. And of course, it'll squeak somewhere. Where's the, there it is. They'll like that. So that's the Squeak. And so that should do it for this little unboxing. This is perfect for a dog who's having a birthday and you know, you want them to have a little necklace and hat and a little toy, of course. So very nice. Thanks again to this company and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.